Good afternoon, good evening. Hope you guys are doing good. Happy Monday. It's good to be back here. Good to be back at the desk. What up, FX Viking? Hey, YOLO traders in the house. What up, Shiro? Rafi's in a building. What up, Rafi? Good morning, Henry. What up, Gotta Trade? Louis G is here. What's up, everyone? Happy Monday. Welcome back. Good morning, George. What up, Nathan? Rob Trades in the house. Hey, why not, right? Storm Players here today. Dominic, what up, Dominic? Z Gamers in the house as always. What up, Z Gamer? What's up, Dennis? Dennis Hood is in the building. Yes, sir. What up, Christian? What's up, Epic? What's up, everybody? Good to be back, man. Good to see you all. I hope you guys had a good weekend. What up, Captain? How you doing, sir? The Captain is here. Who else we got here today? Let's see. Who else we got here on Separation Monday here today? What up, Freddie? What up? The Groomsmith is here. What up, Groomsmith? How you doing, bro? All right. Awesome. Awesome. What up, Josh? Good morning, everyone. Let's get started here today. It is Monday, right? A new week ahead of us. Finally, right? It's like the never-ending weekend these days. What up, Ray Capital? Johnny K's in the building. Yeah, it's like the never-ending weekend, man. It's just Friday comes around and it's just the complete opposite mindset of the rest of the world, right? It's like everyone else is happy for Friday, but us as traders, we're like a little sad, you know? We're like, damn, the weekend is here. So, but we're here. We're back today. It is Monday. It is October 9th. So it is the 9th of October here today. It is a U.S. bank holiday here today. So we may or may not see a reaction from gold. Either way, we're going to be here, man. Why not, right? Why not take advantage of the time that we have, right? Why not take advantage? Why not govern the time that we have in life properly so we can learn, so we can grow and move closer and closer to our goals in a shorter period of time, right? And that's where the separation comes about. Those of you guys that are here today, you know, kudos to you, right? You guys could be sleeping in your bed. You guys could be, you know, laying there like a rock doing nothing, but you're deciding instead of sleeping and dreaming, you're going to live and dream today here. So it's going to be a good one. It's going to be a real good day. I'm excited about it. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we've got going on in the news here and see what we got going on the charts. Let me just send the Zoom link out. One moment. Zoom. If you guys aren't in our free Discord, you can join our free Discord, by the way. All free. It's got 5,600 people in it at this point. Yeah, let me just send this out and then we're good to go. All right, Zoom link has been sent. Let's share my screen. And yeah, I think we're good here. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. So how y'all feeling today? You guys excited? If you're excited to be here, throw some W's in the chat so I know you guys are here. So I know it's not just me on this lovely Monday morning. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. If you can, throw some W's in the chat so I can see the pulse. I can see if everyone's alive and ready to go and ready to... Yeah, there we go. All right, cool, cool. Just want to make sure you guys are with me here today. All right, lovely. Shout out to all the mods in the building. Okay, perfect. Let's do it. Let's take a look at what we got going on, man. It's gonna be another day here. It's a bank holiday, right? It's just another day, another opportunity for us to be disciplined, be professionals, and you know, see what the market has to offer us here today. So let's go ahead again. It is Monday, October 9th here today. There is a U.S. bank holiday. We're gonna take a look to see if there's anything happening with the pound, which it doesn't look like, or the yen. So nothing there outside of the U.S. bank holiday. Let's go through, take a look at what's ahead of us for the week. Looking into Tuesday, which is tomorrow. We don't really have much. We have a yellow folder on the U.S. dollar, an orange folder later on in the afternoon, but we'll be off the charts by that point. So Monday and Tuesday seem pretty slow. And then, as always, the week will get kicking right around Wednesday, right? So we got Wednesday PPI coming in here at 8:30, and then Thursday, and then I think that's it, right? FOMC minutes at 2. That should be fine. Yeah, that's about it for Wednesday. Thursday, obviously, we got unemployment claims coming in as always. We got CPI here on Thursday, so that should be pretty interesting at 8:30 as well. And then Friday, we do have the prelim here. So that's about it. That won't be till about 10 a.m. So that's a little bit later on in the session for us. So it should be a pretty good week, right? It should be a pretty good week ahead of us. We've got a lot of chaos going on in the world as well. So we'll see if there's any reactions to any of that stuff as well, which it seems like there already has been. So let's go ahead and dive into the charts here and see what exactly is going on with gold and pound yen here. So taking a look at gold, we'll start with gold first, and we'll take a look from the weekly and kind of break this thing down, right? So one thing we noticed about the previous weekly candle is that it closed, right? But it closed with no bottom wick. So we're clearly very bullish here. Bearish here on the weekly time frame. You've noticed price trickling down a bit, making lows and lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. You had this big engulfing candle 2 weeks ago, and then the following week, which was last week, we opened up with no top wick, right? And we just drove down. So what's one thing we know about candles that open with no bearish candles that open with no top wick? There's a very high chance the price will come back up to make that top wick, or the next candle, right, will come up and make the top wick there. So looks like we made that top wick. Looks like this previous weekly candle came down, rejected that support zone to the left hand side, and then moved back up. And now it's no surprise that this candle has broken the high here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily time frame. So daily time frame is very bullish here on gold. As you can see, we've opened up and just literally, did you guys see the gap yesterday on the open of gold? We were in the Discord anticipating the gap and opened up like 230 points or pips and up. So pretty big gap there on gold yesterday due to some of the war stuff going on there, but no bottom wick or anything like that. So let's see what's going on here on the 4 hour. So after this strong move up, 4 hour now has been closing bearish here, right, over the past couple hours. So really not much happened after the opening of that candle. Let's go ahead. You see this wicks up and down. Let's go identify what these wicks are and take a look at the hourly time frame here on gold. It's pretty simple, right? You've got a very strong support right here. You also have a very strong resistance right here, and that is it. That is it. That is all gold has to offer us right now. If we look at the 30-minute time frame, we need to adjust that support just a little bit here, and then that's it. Gold is going to range around here in a bit. It's like it's got this huge move up, right? And now it is trying to find its footing again, right? It's almost like we talk about getting punched by Mike Tyson, right? You're a little dizzy for a little bit, and you're going to have to retrack and kind of get yourself together there. So that's what gold's trying to do here. But below here, right, we have a clean move coming down. If we do get any sort of closures below, I could see price at least tapping into, let's say, like 1840 here, right around 1840. There's a nice clean range coming down, and then below that you have more clean range to come down to 1829. So that's pretty much what's available for us in terms of sells here today, and these are the ranges that I'm going to look to trade in. And then buys, right, if we take a look at buys here, you have this resistance here. Above that is about a 35 pip wick fill. There's also a resistance about 35 pips away as well, so potentially be able to trade in this zone here if we do get a breakout at some point. If not, it's even cleaner above this range, right? You've got a little bit more room up here, which is going to be more so like a 65 pip range. So gold is simple. Just wait, right? Don't even bother touching gold right now until probably tomorrow, but until you get some sort of a high volume breakout, some sort of a move outside of this range right here, like this is just a complete no trade range, right? No trade range here on gold for me. But anything above that is pretty decent, right? Coming up into those levels up here, and then anything below is pretty good here as well. So that's what I'll be waiting for on gold today. It's definitely time to wait for gold, but yeah, this is what I'm going to be looking at here today. So that's gold. Again, US bank holiday here. I don't expect to see much, but since there was a lot going on, you know, over the weekend, you may see some sort of reaction from gold today. We don't know. So we're just going to hang tight and chill out on gold and just let it do its thing. So that's going to be gold here today for me. And then pound yen, let's take a look at GJ here. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. So weekly time frame did close bullish last week, right? So you notice here there was a very strong rejection, right? Price came down based off of this. Let's go to the monthly real quick. So you had a closure below here, if you guys remember, on the monthly time frame, and price did its job, right? Price was able to make a top wick and then come down and break through these wicks, push down, trying to fill this guy right here, but it looks like price rejected, right, and moved back up. So that's what the monthly time frame is looking like. We're very bearish on the monthly, so this may just be a pullback, we don't know, or hey, for all we know, by the end of the month this candle could be bullish and price could have closed back above the range, leading into or basically saying that this right here could be a fake out, right? But we won't have that information here until the end of the month, which is 22 days away. So we're not going to worry too much about that. We are pretty bearish though based off the monthly. We did close bullish here last week though, right? After that rejection, price did create a support right here, and now we're coming down to, I don't know, retest that support, maybe possibly just be making a bottom wick. One thing I noticed is that there's a lot of selling pressure in this candle, right? This candle wasn't even able to come up to make a top wick at all before going down. So we'll see what's happening here with the weekly. But as far as we know, price can come all the way down. As long as it respects the low here, price could still move up and flip bullish, right, at any time. So price can come all the way down here, respect that low, move back up and flip bullish here at any point this month. So we'll keep that in mind. Let's go ahead and take a look at the daily. Daily did close bullish, right, on Friday. So you had a resistance level right here. Daily did close bullish. We closed above the range. Now price is driving down. Is it making a bottom wick, or does it want to actually push down today? Well, let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hours, you had a nice clean move up, right? And now you're moving back down here. So if we can get a support to form, right, on this 4 hour time frame, say like this, then that may be our opportunity now to catch the next 4 hour candle as it moves up, right, to retest that resistance. That's if pound yen wants to move bullish today, right? So right now we're just looking at bearish 4 hour candles. Let's go ahead and identify what that represents here on the 1 hour. So 1 hour time frame, you do have a support. You also have a resistance right here, and I guess we can probably say this is a range too, right? If we're gonna go against a daily bias, which is bullish, because the previous candle closed bullish, right? And price had begun in this range here, and now broke out of the range, created support, created resistance. Well, this may be a range 2 breakout, right? You've got pretty clean traffic coming down to the left. Let's go ahead and take a look at what this looks like on the 30-minute time frame here. So 30-minute time frame may be presenting a celery play here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the stops. Stops are about 20 pips here for about a 31 pip move down. If we enter on the break of the lows here, let's go ahead and take a look at the 15. 15 looks like it did create some sort of resistance as well. There is another support level right here. So I say we'll see how this 15 closes. If we can close below that support level, then you have a pretty clean range coming down. Like I said, about 30 to 50 pip range here coming down. So we'll keep an eye on this 15-minute. We're gonna wait for that, being that we're going against the higher time frame bias here. We'll see if we get the break, and then same entry, right? If we get a closure below, we'll have an entry basically like a 30-minute celery play entry. So that's gonna be what I got going on here for pound yen right now as well. So sells below, and then yeah, if we can get buys above, right, we're looking. The daily did close bullish yesterday, so this could just, or Friday, so this could just be our bottom wick. So the higher time frame is bullish, but again, we are open for sells as well. So let's see if we can get closures like we want them, and then we'll potentially take sells here on pound yen. Right, but if we do want to come back up and close above 81 or 81,750 here, then I may be open to taking buys, especially if this is going to happen around like 8 a.m. or so, to move back up due to the daily, right, the overall daily candle. So yeah, that's it. That's going to be the day here today on pound yen as well. So buys above 81,750 and sells below 181,445. 445. That's support level in the 15. And that's it. That's the day here. That is the day. Let's do this, and then we'll look to target we'll look to target these resistances up here, right on pound yen. Somewhere up here. All right, lovely. Perfect. It's Monday. I'm in no rush here today to do anything. I'm going to simply wait for price to convince me to make a move, just like any day, but definitely on a Monday. What up, James Moore? Good morning, bro. What up, Sergio? AB Mike, what's good, brother? Yes, sir. YOLO. We got options in the house today. What up, options? Hope you guys had a good weekend. Did you guys do anything fun this weekend? What'd you guys do? You took BTC trade? Oh yeah, big BTC trade. Take a look at the size on that one. Oh, nice. Sports. Watching sports all weekend. Deep house cleaning. Nice. I'm sure it feels good today. After a nice house cleaning. Let's go, Sergio. Now it's time to step up, baby. You gotta fulfill those promises, man. One thing about me is what drove me really early on in the struggle was the promises I made to my wife, who was just my girlfriend at that time. The promises of freedom, the promises of being able to, stay at home, raise our kids, live a good life. I promised my wife diamonds the size of cat heads, boys. So I had to make do on those promises. So good stuff, Sergio. I hope your lady holds you to it and continues to inspire you. Got a third kid on the way. My wife's looking at new cars here and looking at the GL, I forget what it is, but Mercedes-Benz. Beautiful, man. Got beautiful seats. We need 3 rows, right? But not like rows that, we need like the, what are they called? Captain seats? Yeah, we need the captain seats. So the family's growing, GLE SUV. Yeah, I think it's the GLE. Yeah, she my wife's a dreamer, man, just like me, right? So we always dream and visualize and looking forward to it. And I woke up yesterday and she had left me here it is, the GL. Is it the GLE? Yeah, I think it's GLE. Yeah, so she left that on my desk, right? So once I opened my computer, my other computer, it was right there for me. So, gotta make it happen. Oh, nice. Sorry to disturb. You are never disturbing me, my friend. But I wanted to ask, if you were to start trading from basically scratch, how would you build your trading plan and how would you go about getting a mentor? Yeah, the first thing I would look for is a mentor, because knowledge, honestly, it really is power, right? So it's really tough to kind of do things on your own, right? I mean, to this day, I have, mentors, right? I have mentors in life. I have friends who are millionaire traders that you don't even know their name, right? But I still go to them and ask for advice sometimes, because I know that they're ahead of me in trading. And to be honest, your trading plan is like your trading strategy is like probably the least, how do I say this? Like the least way that you like relate to a trader, right? Trading is so much more than a specific strategy. So I have friends who don't trade. We don't trade anything alike, right? But we can sit here and talk about trading all day because there's so much more to it, right? There's so much more to risk management, the mentality of a trader, right? And all this other stuff. So just because someone doesn't have the same strategy as you can always learn from that person, right? So I still have friends that I go to, all the time, right? And I'm not a perfect trader. I'm learning and growing. I'm just doing it in front of everyone. So I'm still in that growing phase, and I don't think we'll ever break out of that growing phase, right? We always talk about class is always in session. So, if you can find a good class, right? That's what I would do if I was new again. I would look on YouTube. I would try and find a stream like this. There's many other streams out there with many other strategies, with many other good, host of those streams as well. So first thing I would do is I would try and find some sort of class. And when I say class, I mean a live stream, right? Because you can get a course, right? You can watch courses all day long and never learn a thing. But when you're able to attend a class or a session, and you're able to ask questions live, get feedback, watch how a trader actually trades versus, someone just talking about it in a course, I think that's what I would do. And I feel like that would be probably the fastest way to grow, right? Is to have that coach, find a coach who really does a class, like a session, kind of like we do. And there's, again, plenty other streamers that do this, and then just sit tight and learn, right? I posted this the other day, right? When successful people talk, man, I listen, right? I ask questions, and then I listen for feedback. So, that's what I would do. And that's what I did do when I was new, right? It took me about 1.5 years to find someone, or maybe 2 years, but eventually when I did, I jumped on it right away. And I never really needed another course again after that, because every day was a course, right? Every day I was showing up and listening to successful traders talk about the charts, talk about the markets, talk about mentality, all these things. So yeah, that's what I would recommend, bro. Get the Model X plaid. Shiro's throwing knives this morning. Uh-oh. Do I have friends who are millionaire traders? Absolutely. Oh yeah. How do you think I'm going to become one, right? Yeah, again, association is everything, right? If you want to get to the next level, a lot of times God will bless you, but he's going to use people for that, right? He's going to use people to do the blessing. And, you have to have the right association. You have to be around people who are better than you, right? I never want to be the biggest fish in the pond. If you're the biggest fish in the pond, right, you're never going to grow from that. So you always got to surround yourself with people who are either in life where you want to be, or they're in your skill set where you want to be, and talk with them, ask them questions, spend time around them if you can, and I continue to do that to this day, right? Because I know nothing, right? I just want to continue to learn and grow. So absolutely, man. Absolutely. Right. You want to be a big fish in a small pond, or you want to be a small fish in a big pond, right? Pond where you have room to grow, room to become, room to get better and get bigger. Does my wife trade? No. Nope. Your stream's the best one? Oh, thanks, bro. Yeah, this is Forex school right here. That's right, Annabelle. Yeah. Oh, yeah, exactly. FX Viking. Always stuff to learn. What strategy they use? They use all different strategies. All different strategies. Hey, what up, Vant Traders in the house? My good friend Vant Trading. What's up, brother? What's good? Dope, dope. That's what's up, Muhammad. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, now I have a multi-millionaire friend. Now I have, yeah, exactly. So I have millionaire friends, but now I have a multi-millionaire friend. All right, GJ moving back up here. So glad we didn't just jump on this little breakout, right? Especially going against a higher time frame, especially on a Monday and a day like today. Glad we waited. I've passed my phase 1 and phase 2. Oh, nice, Chunks. Let's go. Congratulations. Big W. You should be happy, man. $700 more subs to 20K. Ooh. We're creeping. We're creeping. We're almost there. 20K, man. I remember celebrating 100, man. Anybody here with me? I know there was a few that celebrated 100 with me. That was a big W, man. That really was. The other day we hit 19K, and I was like, yeah, awesome. Now let's go. Man, when I hit 100, I was like, woohoo! I jumped out my pants, man. I was fired up. You know, I didn't slobber all over the people though, like the regular streamers. Oh my god, 100 people here. Oh my god, drooling all over everyone, right? Nah, I did it calm and cool. I was like, all right, y'all, 100 subscribers, yeah, man. 100 on to 500, 100 on to 500. You know, I played it off all nice and cool. Turned my live stream off. Made sure everything was off. And then I was like, yeah, let's go, baby. We're on the growth, baby. Now we're going. Now we're going. Now we got some momentum. Can you do a simulation? Yeah, we'll do one of these bank holidays for sure. One lots for 5,000 accounts? Yeah, why not? That's pretty good. That's not bad. Yeah, 20K we're doing what's it called? So technically it's not going to be a 24-hour stream, right? So I think what we'll do is we'll do it on a Thursday, and we'll start in the Asian session, right? Yeah, we'll start in the Asian session, and we'll stream all the way until we're done with the New York session. All right? Because if we do 24 hours, that's a lot of downtime. We're going to need a lot of you guys to play video games with my brother Joe if we do that. Yeah, I'm doing full margin here today with no volatility. Absolutely. Gonna need it. Gonna need the full margin here. Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream, if you guys could give the stream a like here today, I would appreciate that. That's the only thing really ask for is a like. Just one though. Don't give me too many. Just want one. One from each of y'all. Britney Spears in the chat. Oh, baby, baby. What do I think about indicators? I don't really think about indicators much. I think they help people trade better, but I just don't think that they help me trade better. But I do think that they work. Again, I think trading is all about your own personal way of learning and stuff. So some people, it helps them. It helps them just the way their brain works and the way they see the charts. For me, it confuses me a little bit more than anything. So I like to keep clean charts with just ranges and stuff. But I think they're good. As long as they help you, I don't see nothing wrong with them. Do you have a mentorship program? I might. Yo, yeah, that Ferrari is nice. That Raja got, yeah. Hey, I appreciate your 4 likes. I appreciate you guys setting up multiple accounts. Yeah, get your grandma and your grandpa on this live stream, man. I think they would appreciate this stream. Tell them all sub to the channel. Yeah. Trading helps me connect to God. It's not about the money. Yeah, you know, trading really does, man. I mean, everything is a gift from God, right? I mean, it's clear, right? We've got none of this on our own. We've got a beautiful blue sky. We've got clouds. We've got very nice green grass and trees. And guess what? We also have incredible eyes to see that with, right? So all these things we couldn't have got on our own, right? We're fearfully and wonderfully and skillfully made by God, right? So we have to learn how to really live up to our potential. And one thing with trading is, for me, trading is like a cash cow for me to fund the kingdom, right? For me to go out and serve and to help, right? There's, you know, some people back home who run a church that I support big time, and they don't even know, right? They don't even know the blessing that's on the way. And they're my connection, right? They're my connection. They're who I can help, who I can fund, because they're connected with a lot of ministries, a lot of outreaches into different countries and to different places all around the world where people need help, man. People really need help, right? And they need hope as well. And, you know, that's my goal, is to become a multi-millionaire. And God told me, you know, you're going to be a successful man, right? But you're gonna be a big success and a contributor to the kingdom. And I fully trust in God's plan for that, right? And I don't mind doing that. I've told you guys before, I want to become so stinking wealthy that I can live a great life off of 10% of my income, right? And give 90% away, right? And those are the connections. Those are my friends who have boots on the ground all across the world that we can really help, right? And not only just give to, but actually go out there and have our own boots on the ground, right? And that's something that I want to do for my family, for, you know, with my kids, right? And bring my kids out to these countries where people are hurting, man, and they just want some love, right? And they just want some help. So yeah, for me, trading is you know, is just a part of the plan that God just led me down to, I believe, do some big things like that. So, you know, the people at my home church, they know what's up, but they don't really know what's up. But I know they're expecting it, and I'm sure the Lord told them it's on the way. So, yeah, I'm excited about doing that. Shiro. 30-minute fake out on GJ. Yes. Yep. So 15 did close bullish. We got no bottom wick on this candle just yet. No bottom wick on the 30 either. So we're going to either have to wait for that or let this thing go. It's only 13 pips. I think I'd rather wait. Yeah, I'm going to wait for buys above. I'm not going to touch the range here. Yeah. Yeah, because for all we know, this thing may barcode here on the 1 hour, right? Just start barcoding. So I'm not really going to touch it until we actually get a closure. But you know, we got that barcode strategy on deck, son. So if you guys want to trade the barcode here, we'll full margin this bad boy. And bet on red, right? Next candle, we'll just bet on red. Yeah, we're blessed to be a blessing, right? That's what my mentor always taught me early on, right? The secret to living is giving. We're blessed to be a blessing, right? To whom much is given, much is required. So we're blessed to be blessings. Yes, sir. Did someone say barcode? Barcode. Do I have experience in both ACAP and Think markets? I don't, man. I only have experience with ACAP. I really hate the whatever it is, slippage or spread on pound yen. But other than that, I think it's pretty solid. Is Raja Banks your mentor? Yeah, in trading, yeah. So he helped me. His courses and his live streams helped me with you know, my chart work. Yeah, how to mark up charts and stuff and read price and understand volume times and understand impulse moves and you know, exactly, you know, what's going on with candles and all that stuff. But yeah, he's my mentor for trading. Think markets suck. There you go. If anyone knows best, it's going to be Vant Trading. I think this dude has G-checked every single broker, every single prop firm. He knows the whole scoop. Explain USD chef? I have no idea. TFT added a 14-day withdrawal. Yeah, I seen that. Yeah, GJ, I'm not touching here. Gonna wait for we're definitely gonna wait on this resistance here. But shout out to all you guys here. Over 1,000 people on the live stream now on this bank holiday. You guys didn't have to be here, but you're separating yourself, right? You're taking advantage of the time that's in front of you. And shout out to you for doing that, right? One thing I taught, and I'll teach my kids this as well, is one thing I taught my brother John early on. As you guys know, John, who co-hosts with me, is my younger brother, who is over 10 years younger than me, right? So one thing I did was coached him very early, right, in mentality, and we talked a lot about separation, right? And days like this are the days that you separate yourself from others, right? When others want to sit tight and suck on their thumbs and sleep in a bed like little babies while there's action happening, right? While the winners are up, then you know, you're gonna get a lot better results than that person down the road, right? Because you're slowly but surely separating yourself, right? If my back in the day when I was coming up in the game, like when my mentor would say, like sometimes we would link up at diners and stuff, like late night when everyone was done building the business. And I think, you know, if there was a night where it was a little slow for me and I had been home a little early, bro, no matter what, if it was midnight, if it was 1 a.m. and they sent the message out saying they were going to link up at the diner, I was there. I was jumping out of bed, throwing some slacks on, a button up, and I was going to be there at that spot, because you never know, right? It could be the smallest little gem that you need that could turn your whole life around. And you may hear it on a random bank holiday, right? And if you weren't here because you were sleeping and you missed that, you know, that could hold you back. I truly believe life is such a thin thread the way things come together, you know, so you really got to take advantage of all the opportunities available to you. Is it likely the gold gap will be filled? You know, being that we're staying below some of these levels here, right? I think it may be able to, right? It may be able to, but I think if we close below 46,500 here or whatever, 750, I think you'll see a push down, right? But other than that, it's most likely just going to range. Robbie, hey Robbie, on a daily basis, let me ask you, how much time would you say you spent in the Word on a daily basis? Gotta take the gems, baby. $1.6K on Friday. Now we got, yeah, 600 are sleeping. They're knocked. How was my weekend? It was great. Yeah, I had a great weekend. Yeah, it was good. It was good. You guys know my brothers are down here now, so got the broskies down here. I don't think we really chilled at all this weekend, though. I sent you a message on Discord. Oh, yeah, let me check it out. I think of God daily 100,000 times a day. No, I asked how much time do you spend reading the Word? Oi, what up, Sam? Oh, Sam's in the house. Let's get Sam Capital up here to join us here today. He's in the building. Oh, let me adjust my volume here. Oi! Not a lot? All right. Robbie, send me a message on Discord, bro. Sam Capital is in the house. Yeah, send me a message on Discord, my friend. What up, Sam?
What's going on, brother?
How you doing, brother?
I'm chilling.
Oh, he's in the log cabin
That's
today.
exciting. Yeah, we're up north.
Nice. Little vacay, little
Undisclosed location, but up north.
dipped out of DC for a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bro, it's getting hot. The phone calls are coming in from everything this weekend, and I just was like,
Yup, just ditched it and
You know,
hop on the
like
on the jet.
Prezzies do. Yep.
President Sam Capital's in the house, in the log
Yes,
cabin.
sir.
Got the fire going. Looks good over there. Looks good. Looks good.
Cozy today. We're gonna kick back and see if gold breaks out the range.
Yes, sir. We will see. Hold on one second.
What up, Raffy?
Raffy's in the house.
What up, Viking? Shero Classic? F94? AB Mike?
KB Mike. F94. I like that name.
YOLO?
I like that.
Henry? Mi amigo? What up? What up? What's going on, everybody? How we feeling? How's everyone's weekend?
Feeling fantastic.
Fantastico.
Fantastic. Hey, bro. If I ask you, is it possible, right, to make it big like your... Oh, anything is possible, bro. With God, all things are possible, my friend. Yeah, that's why we're going to get you right.
It's true.
Weekend. Yeah, what'd you do this weekend, Sam? Anything?
Was hanging out with a friend.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Nice, nice. You've been hanging out with this friend almost every weekend, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. Very cool.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see.
Sam's been hearing all of our relationship talk maybe on here. I don't know.
Something. Yeah, I might be cooking.
Hey, how many of you players sent out those nice messages to your wives I was telling you guys about the other day? Did you get a good reaction? I know one of you guys will say something funny. Oh, GJ up and now back down. See, barcode happening. Told you guys. Free. That was a free trade signal right there. Barcode in full effect. I got divorced. Uh-oh. Sorry if I was rude. Nah, never that. Never that. Barcode City. Dubs. Dubs. All right. Oh, yeah, you good. Your mic's working, Sam. Mic is good. Mic one check.
Mic check. Mic check.
Sam Capital blushing. I don't know what's cooking.
Nah, bro. This is from y'all.
That boy Quake is
Y'all are funny, bro.
Yo. Sam don't ever quake. Sam ain't quaking. Barcode the holy grail. Yo, you ain't telling a lie. I'll tell you that, man. Richie HH don't tell no lies, man. Barcode is... Could you imagine, like, that actually became a thing, and then we just talked about it later down the road, like, it just started as a joke? And now we're multi-millionaires off consolidation. We all barcode millionaires. Yo, we'll get the TTE barcode shirts. Just straight up. You guys know the flag shirts, the flag that goes down. We get the whole like TTE, and then the barcode on the back of the shirt. Then like a barcode on the side.
Yeah, we need it. We need to get some.
Those will be
some good stuff.
Market execution. Yeah, because what could also happen with pound yen too here is we can actually create a support, right? Because overall we are bullish on the day, right? So if the 4 hour ends up creating some sort of like support like this, then you know that price will most likely come up to retest the highs here. So that's a potential opportunity, right? We've been pushing down for quite a bit of time here. Pretty much the whole opening, right, of this new daily candle, weekly candle. So bring out the whole Columbus Day.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I was like, bank holiday, Columbus Day,
Gold breakout, not sounding right. Yeah, the one thing though is like, you don't show up to the charts today and gold does a massive breakout. You show up to the charts, it just consolidates. So that's why you got to be here regardless. I feel like just there's been some bank holidays where prices moved like pretty heavy too.
Yeah, like I wouldn't have been surprised if price was moving tonight. I mean, it just ranged all day, but
Yeah.
if we did make a move, I wouldn't have been surprised with everything that happened over the weekend with Israel.
Please provide me with mentorship on the barcode strategy. Oh yeah, absolutely. So barcode is simple, right? You wait for a bullish candle, and then you wait for a bearish candle, and then on the next candle, so once this candle closes, you just buy. You just press buy, right? And then once this goes up, now you press close, and then when it opens back up, you just press sell, and then you sell, and then you close right here, and then you wait for that candle to close, and then you press buy, and then you buy this one, and then and that's the barcode strategy.
And what you're doing is collecting orders.
Yeah.
And then eventually, like, price is just gonna shoot one way. And
This is how real traders trade.
Yes. Yeah.
This is the way it's done. If you guys want to see professional long-term results, what do you do when you see this? You hit sell, right? And then you just close your sell and you hit buy. When will you stop making trading complicated?
Yeah, when will you stop making profit too? Look at it.
Chilling, man.
And then if you get a candle with no bottom wick, you double down.
Best strategy in the game. Can't beat it. Been watching some of your old streams from 8 months ago. You've come a long way overall. Nice. Thank you, man. Thank you. Appreciate that. The consolidation we're seeing after the weekend gap from the war makes me think gold is accumulating to continue higher overnight here. Yeah, I mean, look at this.
Yeah, I can see that happen.
Just look at this. Such clean range coming up here on gold. That's why I was like really really bullish here, right? And then, you know, where do we close, right? If we look at the daily time frame, right? Daily close right at support. Right at that support level. So 100%, I think gold can move, make a nice move back up here. Nice move. Because remember, we were tracking gold, right? So we were kind of waiting, right, for this, right, over the last, let's say 3 days, really 4 days, right? Last week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, any day we were expecting the candles to actually, right, move back bullish, right? We were expecting this one because what happened on this candle, right? The previous candle closed with no bottom wick. So, and we were, you know, we still had room to go, right? If you look left, there was still some room to go down, which that's why we were continuing to be bearish, right? But at any point, we're expecting maybe this candle will be the one to actually flip and close bullish to create that support. And then it was, you know, maybe this one would, right? We knew that the bearish volume was dying out all last week. And then Friday, we finally closed, right? And then you had that gap up. So yeah, I think we officially have that support and definitely should make a nice move up. I think there's one area right here that we probably would need to close above and then we can move up. But that's the top of that consolidation anyway, right? So that makes total sense on the lower time frames regardless, right? Otherwise, this could potentially just be a move to come back down, like price creates some sort of resistance here and then moves back down. But I think if we can break above all that consolidation where we rejected, which was like this area over here, I think we have a nice clean move right above this level here to come up into these ranges, 1890, 1910. So I'm excited. I look forward to see some juicers here on gold. Haven't had a juicer in quite some time, right? I mean, it's due for a pullback. Look how many days we've been, I don't know, Tyler, have you seen gold move like this 10 days in a row? I've never seen that. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
they said
8,
that was
9,
the worst
10.
week since 2021, one of the days or weeks.
Wow.
Yeah, someone put it in the Discord, I forget.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a crazy week though.
I mean, if you look at our history, all we've taken is sells, right, over the past like month here. So yeah, I think some juicers may come back into the game here. It would be awesome if the daily candle can close above and then we can kind of close out of that breakout. And then I think like what you're talking about overnight can happen. Right? Into the Asian session, into the London session, you get a clean fill on this range here. Yeah. Sounds good. Full margin, the barcode strategy. There you go. What strategy? Yeah, gold on Friday was pretty tough too. If you had a bearish bias, which we did, it wasn't the easiest play, right, to catch, right? Because when that 4-hour candle closed, where was that? Was that this one? No. Friday's 4-hour candle. Yeah, this candle closed strong bearish after NFP, and right, and if we're expecting price to come up and make a top wick, then we're expecting a few 15-minute bullish candles, right, which we've seen. But man, that got tough to actually take buys, right, if we were expecting that 4-hour top wick there. So price ended up just moving on up. We did take a sell there, and we did take a winning trade, and that was probably the only opportunity for sells that whole session there after NFP. So we got the only sell that was there, but yeah, it got a bit tough, right? Because if you're waiting for that top wick to form, then you're just sitting on your hands as price is moving up, and you know, never really got anything there for the buys. But yeah, we did take that sell, which was pretty decent, and then price continued moving up. The war should really wake up gold. Yeah, that'll be sick. Bump in inflation and oil to rise. Yeah. Yeah, gold's got a nice clean move up. Daily's gonna need it. Do you expect the breakout since today is the bank holiday? Probably not. Probably like Van Traden was saying, you may get the breakout towards the end of the day, and then price may move tonight. Well, tonight in the U.S., but you know, during the Asian session, throughout the London session, and then into New York. So yeah, I think that's what we'll see. I don't think gold's really gonna budge out of here much at this point though. Today.
I wonder if NASDAQ will move today.
Oh, crypto bleeding per usual these days.
I mean, it looks good to maybe still make a move today.
Clean traffic on both sides of that consolidation, I'll tell you that. Clean. How'd the daily close on Friday? Bullish. 4 hour moving down though. Pretty nicely.
Yeah, I wonder how that 4 hour will close. That'll let you know everything you need to know.
Yeah, I think these moves happen tomorrow probably, especially for anything with the US dollar, I think. No pair to trade today. Nope. Not even GJ? GJ what? GJ. So we have the NY open here. It's upon us. Pound yen closed below, or yeah, we never closed below that support level there. So I'm not gonna take anything here on GJ. Gold as well is obviously just chopping around a bit here. So yeah, we're probably, if we get some sort of playbook opportunity on GJ, then yes, I'll probably take a position. But we may or may not get that on this lovely Monday here. This has been mainly just for vibe and purposes, questions, some education, all that good stuff.
We're free men. We're bored. We don't have anything else to do.
Yeah, I mean, I was waking up at 4 anyway, so
Yeah.
might as well hang out with y'all for like 3 hours.
Yeah.
Today's a bank holiday. I'm not too sure. I don't think I have many plans today. My day is typically the same up until about 1:30 p.m. and then anything can happen from there.
I'm gonna go sail the Mayflower for Columbus Day.
Oh, jump on a boat.
The Pinta, the Santa Maria, and the Mayflower. Me, you, and John.
The Mayflower.
The Mayflower. AKA the V.
The V. This guy was ripping the other day. Ripping. Having fun in that thing.
Rip it, rip it. Yes, sir. Full margin Bitcoin testing? I don't like that. I'll pass. You can do that. Do a S.
Oh yeah. Hey, if you guys aren't in our Discord, you guys can join the free Discord here. If you guys want some friends while you're trading Asian and London session, then you got some friends here in the free Discord. You're more than welcome to pop in here. Yeah.
My mic's a little weird. Yeah, I'll have to mess with it. I got a new one again. You see this one?
Oh, nice. Oh, you got a new one.
Yeah.
Oh, that one's black and blue?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, cool.
The other
What
one
brand
was
is
all
that?
black. This is Logitech. The
Oh,
other one was
nice.
Corsair.
Yeah, Corsair, right? Yeah. I got a pair of Corsair up there, but I never use them anymore. If you remember some of the earlier streams, I was using the white ones.
Yeah, I think those ones are actually the exact ones that I have, but they're black. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. I'd have to see what yours look like.
I'll show you. Hold on one sec.
Yeah, but my problem with the other one was because it was like wireless, and like this thing is like OG, bro. It's like it will never break. This thing is like quality
like
headset. The only thing that sucks is it's wired, but I don't care because I don't really do anything.
Yeah. It's like those phone cases back then. What were they called? OtterBox. People still use those?
OtterBox.
Yeah, right.
The
OtterBox.
Yeah. What are they? I think the more popular one now is LifeProof.
Oh, okay. I don't think I've heard of that one.
Yeah.
I'm sure my construction buddies
popular,
have.
like when I was, yeah.
You have any friends back home, construction buddies? Those guys are the greatest. How you doing there, bud?
Yeah, some of my friends are still like that, bro. The stories that they tell me, bro, some of them are so funny. Not like people they work with. They're like the best type of people.
It's like these dudes, like me, I don't know how to build much. Like I'm not that much of a builder or like anything like that. I mean, I could build, but I'm not a skillful builder, right? Man, these dudes, they'll be talking about, yeah, man, we did this, did that. I'm like, holy, you did that today? Like, you ever heard that one dude, Sebastian Maniscalco, the comedian? He's like, I got friends that build decks. These guys build decks in one day. He's like, yeah, they come out, but take a look at the deck. Yeah, I put it up today. He's like, you put it up today? He's like, you did that today? He's like, yeah, I did it all today. He's like, dude, I took a nap today. So it's like some of these dudes, man, they know what they're doing.
Yes, that's true.
But they always got the OtterBox phones, you know, in case that thing gets ran over by like a Ford F-150.
Ford F-150, yeah, 18-wheeler, concrete dumper.
Yeah.
Yeah, Landon, that's exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah, because the LifeProof is like that first thing that like you could like actually bring your phone under the water with. Yeah, dude, everyone was flexing with that.
Yeah.
Look at my phone, bro. Don't.
I think the best phones ever invented were the Nextels. Those were by far my favorite.
I have to look that up.
Man, what a shame. If you didn't get to walk around with a Nextel, I feel bad for you, son.
Is that the one where you were? Oh, what was it? You were like, "This is my beeper," or something like that.
Oh yeah, nah, that
Let me
it was like
get my
what was it
You know
called
what I'm
again? The
talking
bleep, yeah, bleep, or whatever.
some. I forget.
Oh, nice. Took a gold short. Very nice. Congrats. TK's in the house. What up, TK? Two-way Nextels, man. They didn't get better than that. Yeah, just chirp anytime. I remember the chirps were free.
Yeah, the chirp.
Right? Weren't the chirp Nextel to Nextel chirps were free? I remember that. You could always know if someone was ignoring you too if you sent them an alert. Who remembers this? And then, because in order for them to use their phone again, they'd have to like dismiss your alert. So if you sent them alert and then 5 minutes later went to chirp them and that joint went through, you already know. They ignoring you.
Bro.
I-95, yeah, that was a good one. That was like the black and blue one, right? I think that was like the black and blue one. Until the feds start listening. This is like The Wire.
Your
That's too
wiretapping
funny.
the Nextels.
You ever seen the show The Wire?
Nah, I don't know.
Oh. Silver and blue. That's right. Silver and blue. Johnny Boy's in the building. What up, John?
Boy.
Hey, what's good, boys?
How you feeling,
How we
bro?
doing? Feeling amazing, bro. Feeling great.
Yes, sir.
By yourself?
Monday,
bro,
baby.
You're sleeping in from the gym and everything, bro.
Oh, me? Hell no.
Nah, that was Joe. Where's Joe?
Oh, yeah.
Where's Joe?
Get him on the podium, bro.
Get him up
Yeah,
here. Let's go, Joe.
Yo, my bad.
Joe, nah, you're chilling. Joe, report to the podium.
Report to the live chat, Joe.
Yeah, that's funny.
I just checked the wrong dude. That's crazy.
Yeah.
John's like, nah, bro, never me. Never caught slipping. That boy never get caught slipping.
Nah, hell no. What's good, chat? How we doing? How you guys enjoying your bank holiday today so far?
Your bank holiday.
Like watching paint dry.
Word.
I love it. Yo, some of you have never watched paint dry, and it shows.
You want to develop patience in your trading? Go paint the whole room and just stare at it until it dries.
Yeah, it's 4 hours. Then you gotta do another coat, and then watch that one.
Yeah.
And that's 2 4-hour candles right there.
Hey,
Nice.
boys, we flying to Dubai, son. Hey, we out to
Oh, I see
Dubai?
that.
We taking a little
Hell
trip?
yeah.
We out.
Oh,
Yo,
Let's go.
we out.
let's make it happen.
That's a long flight, man.
Mm-hmm.
I'm ready for it.
I look good in those. I have no idea what they're called, bro. The all white.
Man. That's a long flight.
How long is it?
I think you gotta take two flights.
Oh, damn. I hate 2 flights.
Yeah, we out. Do you and Don have a connection? Yeah, me and Don are cool.
Dubai TT meetup would be insane.
That'd be nuts.
That would be so down. Today.
Today. Hey, yo.
I'll
Hop
be
on a
down,
flight
chat.
today.
I gotta have him shovel the runway, bro. You see this weather?
Yo,
Yeah,
for I'm just seeing your background now. Sheesh.
Who's coming to Dubai with us? Why does the chart have no gap on it? Yeah, my MT5 does. Yeah. Gap.
Look at that gap.
Big old gap. Send the G6. Yo, send it. Send the G6. Yo, Tyler, you're pulling up, bro. We out. Me, you, John, Sam.
What's poppin', Van Trading?
Yeah, we go crazy.
Van Traden pulling up in November. Let's make it happen.
Hey. Nice.
November, December, or January. Because the weather's getting clean out here. Man, today, this morning, beautiful. Beautiful.
Oh, bro. It's
Nice
Dude,
and
this
cool.
morning, brick. Brick. Freezing, bro.
Yo.
Yeah.
Freezing. No, let me tell you how
Yeah?
much. I think it was like 40, bro.
Oh,
Yeesh. Well, I mean,
40,
if it was in the
nah.
60s here,
It's 43 right now.
damn. That's too cold, man.
Yeah, dude. I was
It's
like,
65 right now here.
And warm.
yeah, I like that.
Oh,
Cool.
damn. 45 back home in New York. Sheesh.
Florida's where it's at.
Weston is a place in Florida where I used to live, and it's 75 there, bro. It's over. That's down in South Florida. So much hotter there.
It's like 10 degrees. Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah, 10 degrees, bro.
Florida's huge.
Word. Let's go buy real gold out there in Dubai. Trying to convince the wife in all of November. It wasn't a hard thing to do. Yeah. Hey, honey, you want to go to Florida in November? Yes, let's go. Done.
That's funny.
40 is boiling from where I'm from. Oh, where are you from?
40 degrees Fahrenheit.
Oh, yeah. We're talking Fahrenheit.
Yeah, Fahrenheit.
I know we in America do things different than everyone else in the world for some reason. I have no idea why, but like
Little sketchy.
most of the world drives on the right side, right, of the car. We're over here driving on the left. What in the world?
So it's 4.5 degrees Celsius here for me.
Ooh.
And like that's in my opinion not terrible. But like, bro, you got yesterday was 60s. Like, come on, bro.
Yeah.
It was 60. It was 65 yesterday.
Bro,
for me.
that's how the Northeast is, bro. It just
Yeah,
it don't even
crazy.
give
Bipolar.
warnings anymore these days. Like over the last like decade, this joint don't even give a warning sign. Like, hey, winter's coming. It's just like they'll throw you some like high 60s, and next thing you know, it's gonna be like high 30s. You're like, whoa, what's going on right now? Where'd the
Hella
fall go?
bipolar.
No more fall.
Get yourself in a state that's not bipolar.
When will you come see me in the
Yeah,
Sunshine State? That's the question. When will you come to the Sunshine State?
Fact.
You've been keeping up with football? Nope. That's the tri-state weather, man. Yeah, yo, the tri-state, bro. So leave Maryland, got it. Yeah, bipolar weather. I'm good. I'm good on that now.
Facts.
I served my time. I did my
You paid
years.
his dues. Yeah.
Yeah, not gonna lie, the snow was really fun when I was a kid, right? And you get dressed up in like
Yeah,
your
I agree.
snowsuit and stuff, and like go outside, and I'll still have fun, right, in the snow, like if I go, but I'm not trying to have that I don't want to. I want to decide whether or not I want to be in the snow or not, right? I don't want the location to decide that for me. Right? If I want snow, I'll go somewhere where there's snow. Other than that, just kick back. Yeah, but the snow is fun, man. You guys built like igloos and stuff, and like snow tunnels and all that good stuff.
Yeah.
Sleigh riding and all that. Yeah, that was fun.
Dude, like I'll never forget. Like I think it was like 2007, 2008. Whenever there was like we got like 6-7 feet of snow. We were literally just building snowmen to just drop kick them. Dude, we were building like tunnels and this and that. And our parents would come out and smash them. Say they're gonna collapse on us. We're gonna croak. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, you know when the snowplow dude comes up and plows all the snow?
Yeah.
Bro, we would literally dig trenches through that, have tunnels and everything going through that. It was nuts.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, but like you said, I don't know now. It's like I ain't gonna go out there and do that right now. Like what?
Yo, no lie, I'll send you a picture of this. Maybe I'll post a picture of this in the Discord. If I gotta find it on my phone. But we built this igloo. It was so good, bro. We sprayed it with water, the outside of it with water during the really cold time of the day, so it would like really ice up. Yo, this thing lasted weeks, bro. Weeks. We literally bought extension cords, and it was at my buddy's house, and we literally had a TV and a heater in the actual igloo. I'll send you pictures of this, bro. It was the craziest thing ever, man. And bro,
you got pics of it?
Yeah, when it came time to knock this thing down, we could not knock this thing down, bro. Like, we used everything, jumped on it, baseball bats, everything. We could not break this thing down, dude.
Yeah, that's
was nuts.
awesome, man.
Crazy.
I love that.
Yeah, I'll send you a picture.
in New York.
Nah, man, those snowball fights in the backyard really felt like a Call of Duty game or something.
Yeah, dude. Playing like even like King of the Hill at the top of the sled riding hill too, bro.
Oh yeah.
Facts.
Good times. Do I leave trades open for several days? Oh no, I can never. I'll be looking at my computer for all those days.
You'd be that. What do we call them? Dude,
yeah.
The cross eyes.
Yeah, squiggly eyes.
Yeah.
Yeah, nah, snow is pretty peaceful though. You get in the snow, it's just super quiet. You guys ever go somewhere and just quiet?
That is true, bro.
Untouched
and then like walking
snow.
through it too, and it's just crunching.
Yeah, untouched snow. No one ever walked on it. Yeah, we have lakes up by where I grew up. So these lakes would freeze over every year, and it would just be miles of untouched snow.
Yeah,
that's sick.
Do I trade only gold? I trade gold and GJ. GJ as well.
That's why I'm trying to get like a week of snow when it happens in New York, if it happens.
Yeah.
Be just dope.
How do we eventually get it down? Nah, it just melted.
Sorry, getting hotter outside.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'll find the pic. I'll post it in the Discord. I'll tag everyone. I was looking up PJ prices to Dubai. Problem is you need ultra long range jet. Oh, tell Raja to book us a PJ. Yo, yeah, I gotta tell him book the PJ, bro. Book it. Yo, I love you, bro. Already looking up prices for the PJ. Come on. Tell Raja book it. Yeah, guys, if you guys never heard of Raja, you guys gotta check him out, man. He's one of a kind, man. I'll tell you that. And he really taught me gave me the real foundation of like this trading strategy. And there's some things that I tweaked that just made it better for me. But the majority, the whole like foundation of the way I trade all came from from him and his courses and his live streams. So yeah, he's the GOAT. Do I determine the bias based off the daily? Yes. Yeah, the way I determine what I'm looking for or what I'm prioritizing today is going to be the closure of the previous daily candle. So previous daily candle closed bullish. Therefore, I want to prioritize buys as the bigger move, but I'm still open to taking sells every single day, right? So I'm still open to, no matter what the daily candle closed as, I'm still open regardless, but I'm just saying I'm understanding where the higher time frame move will potentially go, right? And today, previous daily closed bullish, so I'm going to be bullish here, but this is what we really like kind of worked out, is if we can get a second closure, right? So this was your original range here. Price was trading in here. We never take the breakout on the original breakout, because that could lead to a fake out, right? Price closing back in the range and then moving up. So we never wait or never execute on that fake out. We always wait for price to create a support and then create a new resistance, and then we look to take our sells coming down. So that's what we look for if we're going against the daily bias, and that's really just designed to keep us out of fake outs. Yeah. But one thing I notice here is that there's a major support on the 15. We're clearly rejecting it over and over again. So yeah, that's why we're not taking sells right now. Could you please suggest should I go with multiple pairs or one or two? I recommend one or two pairs. That's just me. But again, I'm more of like for me, I'm not the smartest guy, right? So I like to take whatever I see as complicated and make it as simple as possible. So for me, if I'm looking at all these pairs, how can I make it as simple as possible? I can narrow it down to one or two, and then that works well for me, right? In my brain. But, and then same thing with the indicators, right? Like indicators work really well, just not for me necessarily, right? So I don't use those. So again, I try and make things as clean and crystal clear and as simple as I can so I can learn it. But that doesn't mean that, trading 10 or 15 pairs is wrong, right? Just like it doesn't mean trading with indicators is right or wrong, right? There is no right or wrong in Forex trading or in day trading in general. There's no one size fits all. Everyone's different. Everyone learns different. And I got news for you. Everything works. You just have to fine tune it and make it so that it works for you, right? So that way you understand how it works. But everything works, right? Even the barcode strategy works. So it's just, will you work it, right? Will you get to know it and get to understand how it works? And then it'll work for you as well, right? Because if someone else is doing well with it, you're no different than them. They just may know that indicator, or they may know that pair a little bit better.
Yeah, me personally, I like to focus on like 1 to 2 pairs, because I can really just keep my eye on them and get to know it really good, compared to trading like multiple pairs, like 5 or 10. Then I gotta take my eyes off them and like look at them every now and then. I can't really focus on that 1 or 2 pairs to really know it like good, fluently.
Yeah, same here.
But that's me personally.
Yeah, but that doesn't say, hey, if you got 10 pairs up there, right? Because look, you may only be looking for a bounce off daily support, right? Maybe that's your entire strategy, right? You wait for price to get to a daily support or resistance, and then you take positions. So at that point, you can have like 10, 15 pairs, and you just go along and check them out, see which one is doing what maybe you are looking for it to do. And maybe out of those 10 pairs at that time, maybe there's 3 or 4 that are actually setting up for you. So some people like to trade that way too, and that's perfectly fine as well. I'm a Muslim. Is it still okay for you to? Yeah, of course. Why wouldn't it be? Everyone's welcome here, man. Don't matter what title. I don't mind about titles or any of that stuff. Thank you for your kind suggestion. Love from India. Oh, nice. Learning a lot from your lives. Awesome. Glad to hear that. Like how to wait for a good trade. There you go. Hey, if most people can just wait for a good trade, sounds pretty damn simple, doesn't it? But guess what? Most traders struggle with this. They just can't wait for a good trade. What's a good trade? One that you have back tested or sample size data on with a good result, right? Something that you have data that works out well. That's a good trade. So it's not that hard. Like some of you guys heard Raja's recent interview. How do you stop over trading? Bro, just stop it, right? I know it's not that easy when you're in the midst of it, but on the outside of it now, just stop, right? Just stop taking stupid trades and trades that don't fit your plan. That's all. You know, I remember when I had an issue. Right? You guys know over trading and revenge trading was really the biggest issue that I ran into as a trader early on. And I understand, you know, when I would ask for help during that time, for some reason, it didn't click, right? It didn't click, but over time, it finally, thank the Lord, right? It eventually clicked for me. So, yeah, just try and stop, right? Just try and just stop it.
And if you're struggling with over trading, you should really make this rule for yourself. This is what I did when I was over trading. I would just take 1 to 2 trades a day. That's it. No more after that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I feel like you have to tell yourself too, like it's gonna get to a point where you either stop or you got to tell yourself you're never gonna make it, because that's just the reality of it.
Oh yeah.
If you can't be disciplined and follow your plan, then you know,
later, Vant Trading.
See you later, bro. Is a byproduct of following your plan and staying disciplined.
Yep.
Facts.
Yeah. It's easy to say, hard to master. Yep. You've been using Roger's simulation tool yet? Man, I got it, but for some reason this thing is not working. I have to, I don't know. I emailed them, they send me a new link. The new link's not working, so it might be something on my end too.
I got it too, and mine doesn't work either, except if I do the discipline mode, which I think is just like the free version.
Gotcha.
Because you can only do like 5 trades or whatever on it.
Oh wow, yeah, no, I gotta. Thanks for reminding me, because I gotta check on that again today. Yeah, just practice patience, man. Like, you know, through trading, it's honestly, it made me practice patience in like so many other areas, even with my kids, with my wife, right, with other people. You know, it really did help me get better at patience. So yeah, meditate regularly. Someone says you can literally stare at a doorknob for 10 minutes. Try and do that, right? Try and see if you can stare at a doorknob for 10 straight minutes without being distracted. If you can get to that point where other thoughts just don't jump in and jump out, then you're getting somewhere. But it sounds crazy, but crazy people are dominating, right?
Yeah, Vortex FX, clear the dots. Facts, y'all. You want to trade with clarity.
Yeah, you do.
Right, y'all want to know what you're looking for, and when you want to know what you're looking for.
Mm-hmm.
And having that plan, having your playbook setups, and being patient and disciplined to them will give you clarity.
Yeah. Big time.
A lot of traders, right? A lot of traders, they just come to the charts and they don't even have a plan. They're just gambling. So if you can get yourself a plan and have the correct mental skills to it, you're on your way.
Yeah. Having a plan and a playbook changed my life, man. Like, You know, early on when I was searching up Forex and looking into it, all I heard was like strategy, like strategy, right? And all right, you know, strategy, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna take 20 pips a day, and I'm only gonna risk 10 pips a day, and I'm only gonna trade this pair at this time, blah 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 blah, right? That's all I really ever heard. But then once I started researching and doing some digging into like some professional stock traders, this is when they kind of this one I learned about the playbook, right? About having a playbook. And for me, it was a big shift, right? Because I went from this strategy thought, right? Some strategy and do this and do that, and this is your goal here and that's your goal there, to really forming up and developing a group of plays, right? And that's something I could relate to because naturally I'm an athlete, right? I grew up as an athlete. So naturally I can relate to that. Okay, there's a few plays that we take. I remember when I played basketball, right? We had 4 or 5, 6 offensive plays. We had a couple defensive plays, right? I remember playing baseball. We had, you know, a couple plays when we were out there in the field. You know, who's the cutoff man, right? Where the ball goes when different situations are happening. So the playbook really connected with me, and that switched up the whole thing, right? Now I wasn't like, my strategy is going to be from trading from 7 a.m. to 9:45, and it went more so like, yo, what positions, what setups could we take advantage of in the market, right? And in these setups, what are our best ways to enter, right, and take advantage of these things? And that's where we started really developing the playbook, right? And a lot of this came from Don and some of the things that he was doing, and it related a lot to Raja, so it just connected with me perfectly. And I was able to kind of make my own playbook out of the things I learned from my 2 coaches. And that changed everything because now it made it it's either yes or no, right? So when a candle closes now, it's either yes, there is a trade, or no, there's not. There's no guessing. There's no, I think this is the setup. I think, right? It sticks right out at me now. So what it did was it simplified my trading, right? It simplified the way I looked at taking trades. And also it simplified the way I looked at profit. It simplified the way I looked at loss. Because simply, if it was a loss, it was due to the probabilities against me in my playbook on that specific trade. If I took a win, it was due to the probabilities of that trade going for me, right? So it took all the pressure off of me at that point, and I could just count on the playbook, understanding the data, right? And now that what that also does is that removes emotion, that removes feelings from your trading, right? So now you can operate in a state of logic versus in a state of emotion, right? When the playbook shows up, it's our goal, it's our job to execute on it, right? It's yes, it is here, right? There's no denying it. We execute, right? The outcome is completely irrelevant. It's the execution or the discipline, right? Either the discipline to get into that position or the discipline to stay out of that position if it's not a straight up yes, right, on your playbook. So develop a playbook, man. I think that's going to be the biggest game changer for most of you guys. Get a handful of setups, or maybe even just 1 or 2, and only take that position, right? Stay away from anything else. Anything else is just noise to try and trigger your emotions. Simple.
And it's so true. I was just going to say that too, about the emotions and logic, but you nailed it. Every professional trader has a plan, right? So you want to make sure that your habits as a trader are that as a professional trader. So if you don't have a plan, you should get one. Like Nick said, the plan that we have brings logic to us because we're trading money here. We can get very emotional. We can get greedy, FOMO. And with our plan and playbook, we've got logic now to it. So there's no need to feed into those temptations, to feed into our emotions, right?
Yep.
The plan's our logic.
Yep.
And a lot of traders, they'll follow a plan maybe like one day, once a week, right?
Mm-hmm.
But that's not what you want to do, right? you want to be excellent at following your plan, and excellent isn't a one-time thing, right? You want to excellent. You want to be excellent. You want to make excellence a habit in your life. You want to be excellent and follow your playbook every day. You want to make that a habit, right? A lot of traders too, they'll follow their plan for a week, be profitable for a week, and then there's one day where they don't follow that plan that literally blows their account or loses all their profits. So, and I've learned this too, like it's so important to follow your plan every day. It's like it's gonna take you reminding yourself day in and day out, pounding that in your head and making that a habit. It's so important. Trust me, one day you could really do a lot of damage on your account if you don't want to take consideration with your plan, right?
That 100%, man. That's that one day, bro. That's that one day that all traders talk about.
I've had it in my life. I've seen other traders, right? It's literally that's all it takes. One day, couple trades, not following your plan, boom, lost all your profits.
Yep.
So make it a habit, y'all, to follow your plan.
Yeah, man. That one day used to get me a lot too. That one day, man. Early on as a trader, especially as I started getting better, you would start getting better, meaning you would take better trades, start to have better results throughout the week, and then, you know, that one day, right? And you guys all know my biggest struggle was taking a loss, right, and accepting that loss. So, let's say I took wins Monday through Friday, and then Friday ended up taking a loss. Basically, it was a bad. It would get bad, right? The next hour to 2 hours would be me revenge trading, right? And guess what? When you get when let's say you do get the loss back, now you think, oh man, look how easy it was to get that loss back. So you continue to trade. Rarely ever wins. Rarely ever goes smooth after that. Right? And then you lose, and now you're down double. And you're thinking, yo, why didn't I just take my 1% loss? Now I'm down 2%. Nah, I can't. Nah, this ain't happening. I'm not going into this weekend down 2%. And now you continue to revenge trade, and now you got to figure out how to get more money to buy a new challenge account or fund a new personal broker.
Yeah.
You guys are by far the only traders doing lives that speak truth and offer valuable sound advice. Oh man, glad you're enjoying it. What up, Green? Green's in the house, ladies and gentlemen.
Good, Green.
Adrian Freedom, thanks for the donation. Wow, thank you so much. Don't give me too much now, guys. Strategies based off personality. Yeah, that's a good idea. You'll connect with it more, right? Earlier on.
For sure.
Is your playbook public? Oh yeah. Yeah, we have a video too on the YouTube site. Just go check it out. It's called The Playbook.
You were describing my last week perfectly, huh? Yeah, man. I've been through that, man. Know what it's like that one day.
Yeah.
You're not the only trader, man, who struggles.
Nope.
Right, with that. Every trader goes through it, right? It's part of the process.
You guys aren't alone, right? Even the traders that are profitable have all been there, right? Every trader goes through a very similar vetting process of whether or not they're gonna continue to see success here, right? So everyone's kind of been through most of the things that you have been through. So where is Wix? Well, that's the other stream. I think you're looking for a different stream. You got to hit the other tab. You guys got the two tabs open. He's probably on the other one. Shout out to Wix.
Wix. Yeah, Trex. Most of us wouldn't be here if we wouldn't be struggling. Facts. Struggle builds us, man. The struggle builds us to a profitable trader if you want to learn from the mistakes.
Yeah.
That's another reason traders are still failing. They know they're making the same mistakes, right? But they're not making an adjustment. They're not fixing it. They're not repenting from the mistakes.
Yeah,
it's
man.
one thing to make a mistake and learn from it, but it's another to continue to make the same mistake over and over.
Yo, look at gold driving here. NY open. Goldie making some noise.
Shall she bleed?
Greenery's in the building. Bad habits keep bleeding more. Yeah, building more bad habits. That's why I say if you break your plan once, you're bound to do it again. Right? That's why it's just don't break the plan. Right? Don't chase volume in the market. Change consistency to your plan. Chase that consistency.
It's also why we say we rather take a good, healthy loss over a bad win every day, because that's creating a habit, right? I rather build the winning habits, like taking good, healthy losses to my playbook, instead of building terrible habits that's gonna long-term make me go downhill, right? By taking bad wins that are against my playbook. So yeah, creating those good habits is very important, very, for the long term.
Looks like 15 close. What? No bottom wick? Oh, it didn't close yet. 1 minute. Last 15 here, the 4-hour candle too, so. All right, give me one moment. I'll be right back.
All right, let's see who's got that discipline muscle. See who's got the discipline muscle on lock.
Gonna show them.
If she goes, she goes. Last 15 of the 4-hour. It's a bank holiday. Straight chilling.
Yeah. Means zero FOMO.
Tony GT. And
yo, chat, don't be like needy of a trade today. Remember that trades are like buses, right? There'll be another one tomorrow. If there's not a trade that you're confident in today, don't take a trade, right? Don't put money on the table. Save your money for tomorrow for a more comfortable trade or more trade that for another trade that you'll like more. Yeah. Patient for a good trade. Hey, bugging out. Appreciate you, man. Thank you for your encouraging words.
Bugging out. It's bugging out.
Thanks. For you, man, for you bugging out, I'll just sit here quietly. You just stare at my face.
Yep. Which one are you talking about, though? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that?
Yeah, Sam, how was your weekend?
Pretty good, pretty good. I didn't really do too much.
Nice. Same here, bros. Oh, word?
Yeah.
Nice. What'd you paint, like your room?
Nah. I was helping my dad paint.
Nice.
He's like, bro, he's painting like the one part of the basement. Doing this like literally the whole time. On the plywood up top. Painting up top.
Yeah. Nice. You just chilled all weekend besides painting?
Yeah, do that.
Nice.
Kind of like, BS with my pops.
Facts.
Chill.
Hey, word, I gotta give my pops a call maybe this week or later today.
Pop.
Yeah, true. It's probably different because now it's like you can't just like swing by or whatever.
And we in different states now.
Where's Joey Janot? Joe. Where is he?
Joe, where you at?
Get him on the boat.
I don't see him in the chat.
I don't see Joseph. I don't see him. So yeah, see how we can't break this zone here, right? A lot of taps, a lot of rejections. That 15-minute support is holding strong here. Holding strong.
That's that barcode.
Yep. And if we didn't take an eye on this and write this, we learned a lot about this in the summer, right? Because if we didn't learn about this, we would have taken a sell here most likely, right? On a closure below, 1 hour candle closed below, we probably would have taken that sell, right? Had we not went through the trial and error of kind of seeing when and where we can use the 15 to our benefit, then we would have most likely, got entered into that position and, we'd probably still be in it right now. Just in drawdown.
That's why I chat, you don't want to get FOMO. Look at that.
Look at that thing go. Look at gold.
Right back into the range.
You
What
had
do you
the
know?
opportunity to practice.
You had the opportunity in front of you to practice discipline, and you didn't do it. It couldn't have gotten easier. Bank holiday, Monday, gold stuck, last 15, like you literally had all the signs, man, this is your opportunity to be disciplined, and you just couldn't hold it together. But maybe this one will help you learn.
I'm just going to say this because I know there was a trader. I just want to help, right? I know there's a trader that got that took this trade and got FOMO. And maybe it was because you were focused so much on the reward, right? You were like, you were just thinking about the reward, the money part of it. But you gotta understand that that's out of your control, right? When you put the trade on, you don't know, it's not definite you're gonna win, right? When you put the trade on, you gotta understand the only thing you can control is your risk, right? So you gotta put the risk into consideration, right? If you're gonna get FOMO, you're really just thinking about the reward. So be aware, like, you know.
Yeah, true.
Won't lie,
As traders, that's the only thing we can control when we put a trade on is our risk.
Yeah. Who said that? Yeah, won't lie, almost took the sell. Hey, look at that. Well, you, my friend, got stronger in your discipline today. Good job. Easy. Just don't touch the keyboard or the mouse. Who are you talking to? Someone out there. The old me. The old me that's out there. The guy who's just can't make the adjustment yet, but he's going to be a future multi-gazillionaire through trading. I'm talking to him. The one who broke the plan today, like I used to do. I know there's someone out there.
That's exactly why I called it, and I was like, let's see, because yeah, I've been there too.
Yep.
Sure.
Been there, done that. Buy now. Buy now. I broke the plan. There you go. I took the buy. Sold GJ. Nice. Sold GJ. Wow. Interesting. Where at? That's me today? Yeah, you see? I know some of you guys are out there. It's all good because you guys are going to be incredible. You guys are going to be top G's in this craft. But not until you get it together. Right? You will get there. But do you really want to continue to prolong that? Do you really want to continue to delay your success because you're chasing, the flash, right? You're chasing the volume. Just stick to it. Trust me. That was your opportunity, man. What's my thoughts on the 15-minute fake out? I don't like anything within this range. So even if there is a 15-minute fake out, I wouldn't even want to take buys. Right, to move up. I just wouldn't. Yeah, unless we're outside of these two lines right here, then I am not taking a trade on gold. Greenery.
I ain't even opened my terminal today.
I didn't take any trade. Proud of myself. Let's go, Keza. Let's go, Keza.
I'll use.
You didn't even open your terminal?
Nah, I said I'm not opening.
Why didn't I take the sell? I'm not touching this until we get a 30-minute or 1-hour closure outside of the range. Yeah, otherwise we'll just keep chopping around. 15-minute was probably a fake out. As you guys know, if you guys have been on the stream for some time, we never ever take trades at 8:45. Right? Because most of the time that's going to be a pullback on the 4-hour candle, and we see it here today as well. Do you trade DVS method? I don't think so. I was on downstream in like 2021, so that I don't know about the new method, but the old one, yes. Yeah, very similar. So I learned from Don and Raja, right? I took those two guys. I kind of took some of the knowledge and what they were saying and the way they trade and their playbooks, and I basically just blended it together and kind of made, excuse me, made something of my own here. If you trade today, there's a big chance you'll lose. Yep, exactly. What'd you say, John?
No, I was about to read a comment. Hey, you're down 5%. Can you come back? Hey, yo, Jay. I believe in you, brother. Of course you can. Remember the habits of a failure trader and a professional trader. Remember what Mark Douglas says. Failure trader focuses on the money and the results.
Yeah.
Right? Don't worry and focus that you're down 5%. Instead, do what the professional trader does, which is focuses on freely executing his edge, right? Just focus on the next trade, man. Right? Focus on the next trade that you're going to be confident in. That's going to be the best trade to you that follows your plan. And just go on to the next trade, right? I believe in you, brother.
Yes, sir. Anything is possible, man. Top of the morning, DL Fowler's in the building. What's good? What's goody? How long you followed Don for? In 2021 and 2022. Yeah, since 2020, I've been following Raja. And then once Raja stopped streaming as much after he moved, that's when I started tuning into Don for a bit. And that was in like 2021 and 2022, yeah. I'm going to delete my sell stop. Good idea. Can you explain which scenarios you would adjust supports? Yeah. So like in a scenario like this, like we have on pound yen, so you always have to check all the time frames here, right? And what we were noticing on GJ was, well, we came down, right? Very strong move down in the 4 hour on a bullish day, right? So now we came down and we rejected this area here. And now we rejected it again on the new 4 hours. So what's the rejection, right? Well, here's another one, and another one, and another one, right? So we keep rejecting this zone. So we got to keep diving down to get more information on the lower time frames. On the 30-minute, we see even more rejections here, right? And you still don't really see much, but once you go to the 15, now you can see what that rejection is all about. And if it's been rejecting that, well, now I'd rather just see a close below it. So I don't care what the 30-minute or the 1 hour looks like. I want to see a 15 candle close below there before I would take a position, because the 1 hour and the 30-minute are clearly being rejected, right? They're clearly rejecting that zone. If we look left on the 1 hour as well, right where those rejections are, if you look left down this way, there's also another area right here, right? So you just got to pay attention and use the information that's in front of you, right? Use the information, the data that the market provides to the best of your ability, and make sure you're looking at all these time frames here, right? Kind of correlating them all together to develop an edge for that day for you, right? A nice plan for you for the day. Yeah, so GJ opened up, no bottom wick just yet on the, oh, look at this. Moving up here. Moving up in the first second of the candle, so not the greatest sign. And what do you know? Gold closed above the range. So nothing there for gold. New 4 hour candle is opened. So yeah, nothing there for gold just yet. This 30-minute support is the problem, right? Gold is not able to really break past that. So that's a very, very strong support there. And you'll probably see price move back up here now. What's the BTC screenshot at the bottom? What do you mean? What do you mean? Are you talking about my MT5? Is that what you're talking about? That's just my MT5 history. Yeah, those 1 or 2 trades on Bitcoin were just, we were testing something out. So that's why it's a 0.01. Yeah, that's my MT5 here. See it moving now.
Yo, it's cool outside, Nick.
It's cooling.
Hella cool. Hell yeah, I was just out there. It's low-key cold.
You say it's cold?
Yeah, honestly.
Yeah, dude. It's brick here, bro.
I bet, bro. I bet.
Yeah, I just love this. So funny because that's what y'all said.
Brick.
Yeah. Right down there.
Green, how is it back home today, pal? How's that weather? I think it's cold
Green,
all
when you
around
coming?
the East Coast today.
Yo, Green, when you pulling up to Florida?
Pull up, Green.
You got a place to stay with me, bro, if you need.
Where are you all based? Me and John are in Florida, and Sam is in he's always random places. Sometimes he's in PA, sometimes he's in DC, sometimes he's in Colorado. You never know where Sam is.
Hawaii.
You never ever know.
Yeah, I like the brick emoji.
Oh, the brick. It's brick green? Oh, damn.
Of course it's brick down there.
It's going to be a long winter. Yo, what's up, Evan? How you doing, bro? Good to see you here, man. YOLO Trader. What up, YOLO?
Fellow trader. That is a long ass winter. Sheesh. Like that, it's about to be cold till like March for like down in New York and PA and shit.
Yup. How do you go about taking trading seriously enough to end up quitting your job? That's a good question. What you want to do is you want to think how awesome it really would be to quit your job, right? Don't just think, man, it would be nice to quit my job. Think about, seriously, what would that be like? If you can quit your job tomorrow and start to do anything you want, maybe not anything, maybe not, ride on private jets and, rent out Lamborghinis yet, but you still have the same amount or maybe double the amount of money coming in, but you no longer need a job. What would life really be like? Take some time to think about that.
Meditate on that.
And that should get you pretty serious enough to start, getting this thing down. Right? What would life be like if you could walk away from your full-time job tomorrow with no money concerns? A lot of people say, man, I don't go to my job for the money. I do it because I like it. And then I ask them, all right, well, how about for now on you send your paycheck to me? And you just continue, and they go, whoa, why would I do that? Well, you're doing it for the money, right? You're only doing it, in most cases, people are only doing their jobs for the money. So if you can take care of the money situation, aka get serious in your trading, right? Then you can walk away from your full-time, man, for your full-time job. Retirement isn't an age, it's a number. Right? Retirement has never been about age, it's always been about income. I'm always here when you trade, never miss a day. Let's go, Evan. South Africa in the house. What up, South Africa? I would fly to Nick, thank him in person, get him a coffee, and fly. Hey, get a coffee. Let's get some coffee, Sergio. Bro, you're an inspiration. Oh, you responded to my message on IG. Thanks. Oh, of course. Awesome, man. Keep showing up. Keep showing up. They're lying. I hate my job. Run my own business in the morning, trade at night. Yeah, that's solid, right? Like that's just, and I'm sure in your business, you're doing what you like to do, right? Otherwise, you'd probably have a different business. But for the most part, people who do have businesses, they enjoy doing what they do. Jimmy Lambo, what up, Jimmy? Good to see you here today, man. Win-win. Freedom, baby. Yep. TTE retirement coming soon, baby. Yeah, how about we reverse retirement, right? How about we get the money problem situated here and we don't have to depend on a government or a check or a, hey, we're proud of you for doing this for all these years and we'll give you a little sum for the rest of your life. How about we go out and control our own pocket economy, get the job done, and then we can live retirement in our 30s, 40s, and 50s instead of in our 70s and 80s, right? When we can't really do much, and start enjoying your life. Simple stuff. 1,600 people watching and 500 likes. Oh, hey, if you guys are enjoying your time here on the live stream, if you can like the stream, that'd be awesome. Any trades this morning? Nah, nothing here. Bank holiday here on gold, so probably nothing. Yo, Jimmy, that's solid, bro. What's your other business? Maybe we can support you here. Bring out the whole support. If he's got an online company, and we can help him, we'll support him. I like my job, but I love to do whatever I want. Yeah, so that way you can go to your job sometimes if you want, right? When you want. Right? My mentor, he would tell me, everyone that doubted him early on in his career when he was broke and didn't have much money, and they all told him to go, get a job and to, smarten up. This dude, man, went out and got free. And then this dude would literally go to their jobs, call them and tell them come outside to hang out, and he'd be sitting on a lounge chair outside of their job telling them to come out. Or when he bought his he had like an Audi R8 or something at one point, he'll buy it and he'll call his friends. He'll pull up to their job, his friends that like doubted him when he was younger, and he'll tell them, pull up, man, let's go for lunch, I'm outside. And they'll look outside, they'll be in the office, they'll see the Audi R8. Oh, I can't come out right now, man.
Through that, man.
What up, 808 Kilo? What's goody? How you feeling today, bro? Good to see you back.
The only boss you want is the man in the mirror, chat. That's it.
Oh, nice. Neurosurgeon. Yeah, we need guys like you. We need neurosurgeons to be passionate about what they do. I hope, oh, nice. I host a podcast to help people get a little bit better every day. I could use some promo. Hey, go check out the Academy of Underdogs podcast. I never seen any episodes yet, but I'll take a look. I own a construction company. Nice. For the last 10 years. Oh, nice. Running self-sufficient. Nice. Awesome. Good stuff, Jimmy. Where is that? New York, New Jersey. Where at?
Yeah, that's nice, Jimmy.
The U.S. I don't even know if Jimmy's from the U.S. actually. My boss said no lunch now. Hey man, can you wait an extra 30 minutes? He'll let me out in about 30. Just peel off doing donuts. See you later, man.
Imagine someone telling you can't take care of your family member because you got to go into work.
Would you look at that? I love my job. Just the salary is small. Would be nice to help kids achieve their dreams at sports. Yeah, exactly. So that's why trading is cool, right? Because if you like your job, but like the money isn't good enough, right? Then you can still work that job and not have to do it all for money all the time, right? And have that in the way. You can get the money problem figured out here in trading and just continue showing up to work and enjoy it, knowing that your bills are paid and you don't necessarily need the money from, you know, that job or, you know, that area to fund your life. Do you trade gold? We trade a little bit of gold. We do a little gold trading.
Much. The XAU, that's what I mean, man. That's what I'm talking about. I don't support that. They told your aunt she couldn't go to see your grandma who was dying. That's terrible.
That's when you go, bye, Felicia.
Can't support jobs like that.
Your loss. My mentor used to tell me, hey, man, wouldn't you like to go put a mistletoe on the back of your belt buckle and go into your boss's office, tell him I'm done here, walk out and tell him kiss it? These dudes would come up with some creative things, man.
On the belt buckle, that's great.
On the back of the belt buckle. Mistletoe.
Yo, man.
Hey, do you have any tips as a beginner on what I should focus on first? Because I want to study ICT. Oh, study ICT. Yeah, if you want to study ICT, then study them and start with their basics.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you answered the question.
Oh. The best way to start is just by starting. It's the best way to begin.
Yeah. Yeah, you may get gold to do this wick fill here, but most likely not close below.
Which holiday is it again today?
Columbus Day.
Oh, all right.
We're riding boats later.
Folks.
That's what's up.
Be sliding in the Mayflower.
Pull up in the Mayflower.
Yeah.
Bro.
1,600 people here. If you guys could like the stream, that'd be fantastic here today. That would make it all worth it for me to show up here today. Yeah, if you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like. I think we can easily get to 700 at least, right? We're at like what, 620, 630? Do I see 640? Do I see 640? 640? Should we get the, yeah, there's 646. Do I see 700 now? I mean, 14, we could do that. We could do that in like 1 second. I'm sure. 1 second. 2 seconds?
Is it Thanksgiving?
3 seconds?
Thanksgiving today?
4 seconds? Is it what?
It's Thanksgiving today in Canada.
Oh, nice.
Happy Thanksgiving, y'all.
Happy
That's
Thanksgiving.
gotta be true.
691, 10 seconds later. Can we do it in 11 seconds? Oh, 6.99. 12 seconds. 13 seconds. 14 seconds. 15 seconds. 15
704.
Mississippi. 17. 18. My old boss pulled up in a brand new truck.
Canada homies. I said that's gotta be true. I looked it up. It's true.
I have opened now your channel. First time you did here trading, daily or not? Yes, daily trading here. Come visit us for your daily live trading, Monday through Friday, even on bank holidays. Oh, 725. I mean, now we just got to get to 800. So if we can get to 800, can we see 750? Can we see 25 in one shot? I'm calling on you. If you haven't given me a like yet to the stream, just go down just a little bit, hit that thumbs up button. It's right below the title. You guys see it there. You see it there. Just give it one click. One click and you'll raise the like numbers for us. Is today a no trade day? Probably. Look, there goes the wick fill there on gold. Nice. Run it up the auction.
Send me out quick.
Oh, 800. 4 away from 800. Can we get to 800? I'll be cool at 800 here. Biscuits. Will we fill the gap on gold? Will we fill the gap on gold? Let's see. 30-minute closure.
The gap on the likes to 800.
Hopefully. Guys got going on for the rest of the day?
Pretty much whatever I want. I don't know.
Yeah, facts. Yeah.
Sliding in the Mayflower. That's what I'll be doing.
Hey,
Sam's gonna be sliding the Mayflower.
Sam gonna be on a boat.
I'm probably gonna have a couple kids jumping on my head in a little bit.
Yeah, all day probably.
Something chill.
Yeah, right.
Chill.
Just something a little chill. We'll just like travel
Very
across the Atlantic. Something chill.
Yeah.
It's a bank holiday. Why are we even live? We're just live here to take advantage of our time, right? Instead of sleeping in, laying in bed like a log, doing nothing. We're here using our time wisely, governing our time, spending it with winners, spending it with like-minded people who are trying to win and grow, and yeah, no days off, man. No days off.
We just vibing here.
After I finish my exam, should I focus on trade or get a job? Probably get a job.
Yeah, if you're gonna finish the exam, you might as well get the job too. Like, otherwise, just don't even do the exam. If you're gonna trade, don't do the exam. Why does the exam matter?
Yeah.
From John Wick. Or just do both. Yeah, someone said do both. Why not?
If you're new to trading and you aren't profitable yet and you have no idea what you're doing, get a job.
Lock that job up, son. Build that resume.
But, hey, but if you got faith in yourself that you can do it and you don't think you need a job, then believe in yourself. Go forward. Don't get a job.
That's what I did.
Mm-hmm.
I just put all the chips in, man. Stacked them
You
all.
just go full margin for it.
Just all in.
That's how I am as well. That's how you want to be.
What up, Yanosh? Yanosh is
Yanosh.
here.
Oi.
What's up, Yanosh? Z Gamer, what's good, Z Gamer? What's up, Shiro? Oi.
You looking at it for a trade or staring at the charts for no reason? Yeah, man. Gotta wait for 30-minute or 1 hour candles. What are you staring at? Why are you staring at the stream for no reason? Come on, son.
Oh, no.
So unpredictable.
And trading today, Spence.
You said 15-minute candle an hour ago? Yeah. 15-minute candle close. You wanted me to take a sell and take a loss? 8:45, man. It's part of the plan. We never trade 8:45. This 15-minute candle got no top wick. I don't break my rules, bro. I don't know what you want me to do, man. Call us a trade. You give us one.
Yeah, send a signal.
Send a signal, kid.
Hit my line.
Let's see who can scream the loudest.
Who you got, Cheryl?
Explain it? Man, what do I look like? I work for you? I think I already explained it. Right? We talked about this already. Come on, man. Send a signal. Bring him up on Zoom. Yes, exactly. All in. Full margin. Damn, bro's got an attitude. Oh, man, I'm just messing with you, bro. If the 30 close below the range gold, yeah, I think we can potentially look for opportunities if we get a 30-minute or a 1 hour closure.
Mm-hmm.
30-minute close. All right, got that. I'll take full margin sell, yeah. Patience having to deal with. Hey, I get to really develop my patience with the chit chat. You're joking? I know. I'm just messing with you too, bro. Just kidding. Do you take trades after the live stream? Sometimes. Yeah, we'll see what happens here. Got 4 minutes
of LeBron, bro.
Uh-huh.
That video of LeBron I posted yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
That is so funny, bro. I mean, dude's literally slump. Boom.
That's Sam on Monday mornings.
I know, bro. I was like, and then I see it was a bank holiday because I was like, all right, let's see what news we got.
Yo, damn.
I'm about to start cooking.
Nah, it's facts though. When you wake up and you realize it's finally Monday as a trader.
Yeah.
The first thought comes in your head like it's Monday. We get to trade now.
Yeah, market open.
Yeah. And now you're lit.
What up, Christopher Chong? Just
Hey.
saying hi to the world today.
Hello. Thank you for saying hi. Shiro. That's how we go when I realize I already shut down my 10th alarm. Funny.
Dude woke up like LeBron, and then it was Columbus Day.
Right? Then I looked out and I seen the Mayflower. Like, what?
You're like bopping your head,
The
checking
knee.
news.
Yeah.
It's like, oh.
Yeah, I was like, damn, Columbus Day is Monday on a day, especially a day after Friday. I wanted to come to the markets and see if we can get some reaction, especially with what's been going on over the weekend as well. So yeah.
It's always sort of a bummer when there's a bank holiday on a trading day.
Yeah. Shiro don't eat. Yeah, there's no alarms in Wakanda land, I don't think. There's no sleeping there
Probably
either.
not.
We just tell
Bro,
the
there's no
public
time
to
to
sleep.
You only have 24 hours. There's not that much time to get sleep.
Hey, yo, by the way, chat, if you're new to the stream today, if this is your first time here, go ahead and sub to the channel. Creeping on 20K subs here. Go ahead and sub to the channel. And if you haven't liked the stream already, give the stream a like. Give the stream a nice like. Just one like, though.
Hit that bell, too.
Hit that ding.
Hit the bell, baby. Turn the post notifications on. What's one more little notification?
Sign up
From
to
the
my
mods.
newsletter and my email listing.
Yeah.
Let me annoy the living daylights out of you with an email every day.
Hit the little bell. It'll just remind you we're here. Remind you we're here. To provide free education.
So previous candle stops are going to be looking like probably in the 50 pip range here. 55 pips. Let's see what happens here. Because our main thing is we really want to see an hourly candle close, right, over a 30-minute. Because the 30-minute we may lead to another fake out, just like the 15 did a fake out. 30 may lead into another fake out, especially with this current 15 with no top wick here. Price may want to pull up, right? Pull up and create that top wick and then go back into the range. So great work, Nick. Appreciate it. AK. Thanks, man. 24-hour stream. Yeah, it's coming. It's coming.
Mm.
Yeah. So we got 9:30 on our hands here. $9.30 is here. 55 pips, yes. Raja just bought it. Bought what? What do you buy? A new car?
Mm.
You guys heard the recent interview? My guy bought 4 cars in 4 weeks.
Savage.
He bought gold? Oh, nice. Very nice. Is your podcast out yet? Podcast is out tomorrow, Tuesday. Tomorrow's Tuesday? Yeah, tomorrow's Tuesday. So yeah, they're dropping the podcast tomorrow. Yep. The podcast. Yeah, I'll be on a podcast featuring I was featured on the Forex Beginner podcast. So yeah, that'll drop tomorrow. I was actually talking to Calvin this weekend. He's doing big things, man.
Correct. And going places.
Do you show receipts? What do you mean? Yeah, Forex Beginner Podcast, I believe it's called. Yep. Yeah, he's solid. He's done a lot of good interviews too. Still don't understand. Onion is simple. Onion is just a position taken off of like resistance, right? So let's say we were waiting for sells, like, but price had already moved down a lot. The onion is just a play back up. So if we wanted sells, we don't want to take them all the way down there, right? We want to wait for a retracement. So all we're doing at that point is just waiting for a resistance to form. And then once that resistance is formed, that's the onion play. So taking our sells now off of that resistance. That's all it is. Yeah, don't complicate it too much.
I got the playbook video. Whoever asked that question.
Yeah, check out the video we did on the playbook. That should serve you well.
Definitely help. Definitely.
Yeah. Yeah, I want to see the hour candle close because we haven't had an hour candle close below anything yet. So otherwise we could just come back up and either move up or start consolidating again in this range here.
Gold got me sleeping.
Nice. Good sleeper. Freaking bank holidays, man.
Yep, GJ closed right at resistance there too, I believe. Yeah, right below it. So nothing there either. 1 hour still open, got no bottom wick, so we'll see how that unfolds. And gold, I want to see an hour candle close. You may get a run down here though at 9:30, right? Once we break those lows, but I would much rather see this 1 hour candle close for us to confirm that we should be good to continue down. Because 15 candle close below, you got a fake out. 30-minute candle close below, we haven't broke this low yet. You could move back in the range and get a fake out. And that would mean the 1 hour candle doesn't close below. And if that candle doesn't close below, then you might not see any movement or anything, right? You may consolidate in this range here for a bit, do some sort of like consolidation here, and then Asian session is when we actually may break out of these in between this zone here. So we'll see. The hourly candle is going to be a big indicator here. How do you draw candles so beautifully? Practice. I draw them every day, so. You're gonna buy now on gold? All right. Do it. Do it. Raja bought. Oh, yeah. Should we buy? What do you guys think, chat? Should we buy here?
Nope.
More like, yeah, more like BYE. Bye bye.
No, that's not bad, dude. Go and get some food,
Yeah.
some stuff.
What you
Hell
thinking of getting?
I got leftover pizza from yesterday.
Bro, do you guys have any good delis over
Pizza,
there?
pizza, pizza.
Not really. Not like y'all would have.
Yeah.
Nah. Like, you can go into like shop and save, and then they got the deli in there.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah. Nah, I feel you.
the grocery store
Like
deli.
a Publix. Yeah, like a Publix.
Yeah.
Right.
Got that boar's head.
Hey, the board said slaps.
A Borsey.
Said, nah.
Oh, nah?
Nah, I don't. What is that?
Oh, it's like, I don't know. Type of deli meat.
Maybe.
All right. Buy it. Buy it, buy it. Buy some boar's head.
I like to get that like honeysuckle turkey.
Oh, that honey turkey.
Yeah,
On
the
a
honey
club?
turkey.
On a club?
Yeah.
Nice, bro.
On a clubby, eh?
There we are. That's so funny.
Have you ever had like a true bacon, egg, and cheese? Like,
Probably not like y'all, but
nah. Bro, when you pull up to New York, where we grew up, bro, we'll bring you to this fire deli. You get yourself a fire bacon, egg, and cheese.
yeah, I love bacon, egg, and cheese.
Yeah, man.
Like I'll just make them.
Yo, word.
Egg, cheese, throw it on. I don't even know, like bread, bagel, something.
Hey, for those of you guys taking buys, where is the stop loss? Aha! You didn't think I was gonna ask you that question.
There is
He
none,
wants a
bro.
signal.
What stop loss?
There is none.
What stop loss? What's a stop loss? What up, Shad?
Hey, Shad, what's good?
What up, Shad?
Supreme OW. What am I forgetting?
What's the stop loss?
I mean,
What is this
am I
stop
forgetting
loss?
the bagel?
Could be the break of the lows, yeah. Yeah, why not?
The Bev. Facts, bro. Facts. Can't forget the Bev. Never, never, never. Nick had that strawberry milk, right? NASDAQ? Strawberry what's it called? Last time he was in Y.
Oh yeah, that Nestle strawberry milk.
Yeah.
Bro, Nestle strawberry milk? Fire.
Facts. That Fairlife though. Right?
I
Fairlife,
wish Fairlife made a strawberry one, bro. I literally would go crazy if they made a strawberry. If they dropped the strawberry one, it'd be raps, bro.
Bro, I'm surprised they don't have one like of those. Like,
I don't know. I guess people don't like strawberry milk.
That's
Dude,
wild.
strawberry milk clears chocolate milk, bro. But I like chocolate milk, but
bro, I used to love chocolate milk as a kid.
nah, I still do.
It's getting chocolate.
Strawberry milk slaps though.
Slaps.
Facts.
All right, let's see.
Trying to make the transition now over to raw milk.
That kefir. Got that kefir going.
Yo, is that what that is? Raw milk?
Yeah.
Bro,
Hold
I
on,
had
back.
some of that like 3 weeks ago. And it was like peach flavored.
Really?
But I just seen it and I was like, yeah, let me try this, bro. Cause I heard great things about it. And so I was like, let me try it. I won't lie, like at first, like you can taste it like how it is like that.
Mm-hmm.
But bro, I don't know, like the aftertaste, fire. I loved it.
Really?
Yeah, but I think it's like because it was like peach flavor.
Mm.
Fire.
Yeah, probably that.
Do you like yogurt? It's like same thing. It's like drinking yogurt.
Yeah, I've had yogurt before. It's not bad.
I asked if you like it. I asked if you had
Oh
it.
yeah, dude, it's good. You know, I like the vanilla one, like of any yogurt.
You put granola in that in it?
Nah, that's
Do you eat it
probably
raw?
yeah,
Great. Nah,
Yeah, but
honestly, I like yogurt like that too.
yeah. But I haven't had yogurt, bro, so long. Probably since I was in middle school.
You serious, dude? I eat a good bit of yogurt. I like a lot of my dairy.
Yeah, I used to love yogurt though. You can make a couple good snacks with yogurt. Like you could put like protein powder in it, and, like
Yeah, exactly.
I love.
That's what I like doing is like throwing it in like a protein shake.
Yeah,
You get that Greek yogurt, it's super good for you.
yeah, word. The one I used to have was the Activia one.
Yeah, I have no idea what I got. The like nowadays the Chobani yogurt.
Oh, okay, copy.
What is this man doing with BTC? That is a test.
New strategy, sir.
That's a new BTC strategy. So that way we could live stream on the weekends. We'll spend every day together.
For the rest of our lives.
Could you explain why you didn't enter on the 15 candle? Yeah, the 15 is weak confirmation as of right now here today. I'm waiting for the 1 hour confirmation, which it looks like the 1 hour is pulling back into the range. What do you know? I mean, you know, just a YouTube guy here. Just a YouTube guy. What do I know? I've only been staring at gold for 3.5 years. Got you. Yeah, the 15 today is going to be very, very weak confirmation, right? Because you have this nasty, I'm talking nasty 1 hour range, right? So you don't really want to budge on the 15 moves here today. Yeah, you notice how this 15, just nothing. 30-minute back up. 1 hour back up. 4 hour moving back up. To the moon. Yeah. Barcode strategy on BTC, yep. Yeah, keep in mind the 15 and the 5 are very weak confirmations. 30-minute, 1 hour, you're going to be your best confirmations. Now, you're going to have to wait a little longer, right? If you're going to wait for 30-minute, 1 hour candles to close versus 5 or 15, but the confirmations are going to be much stronger at that point.
Oh, look at NASDAQ. Beautiful.
Oh, NASDAQ here. Should move up now. Look at you got clean traffic here to the left.
Yeah.
Will it have the juice to get up there? Or will this fake out back in the range? Nick, you not trade indices? Not right now. I just trade gold and pound yen. Yeah. Have you ever tried option contracts? No. The only thing I ever did outside of this style of trading was binary options. Some of you guys remember binary options? Yeah, I did those.
But I've heard of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I never.
Oh, look at this gold. Look at this. Pumping, pumping. 15 close with no top wick there. It's getting crazy.
Right.
Binary straight gambling. Yo, binary was crazy, man. You would literally like, you would just put money in and like, this is like a 1 minute trade, and it was like a timer, and as long as price stayed below, like let's say you took a put, or like let's say you took a sell, as long as price stayed below your entry point over that next 1 minute, you won the trade. But it was sketchy because I would be below, and bro, the last second that thing is shoot up and just like you'll lose the trade. It's like, what? What's this?
Yeah. Sounds sus.
Back in those Matty Pip days.
Yeah.
Like, all right, we're gonna win. Oh, we lost.
All right, here we go. We're gonna win 2-1. Oh, damn. Nah, never mind. Chat, we lost this.
That's trash. Second away from winning, and then you lose. Like,
Yo, that was the worst. But when you win,
yeah,
yo,
boys, I
that's.
think I'm gonna head out of here.
I forgot about that. You out, bro?
Yeah, now.
Where you going, bro?
Yeah, I'm about to go run out of the crib. I'm about to hit the gym. I meant to hit it this morning.
Oh, okay.
I'm about to go hit the pizza.
Hit that pizza.
Get that
air fryer, bro.
Oh, you got an air fryer?
Yeah, so I throw it back in there and it'll come out like brand new.
Yeah, that's dope.
Yeah, I went out this weekend. Actually, I bought all new cast iron pots and pans. Got a sick cast iron pan now for the steaks, bro.
You're a
This thing
smart
is
man.
heavy too, dude. Heavy.
Yeah, I was there yesterday. It was like,
Can't you like season the pans?
Nice.
I'm thinking like of a wok.
Season it up.
I think you can do it with a cast iron though too. Yeah. Well, W day, gentlemen.
Yes, sir.
very
Yes, sir.
W's.
W day, chat.
Y'all out of here?
Yeah, I'm gonna head out. W day though, for everyone. Hey, that was all I wanted was at 8:45. Boom. We had a quote unquote. I mean, it's like a breakout, but boom, held off on it. Let that discipline muscle flex. That was the whole point of today, for me at least.
Get that flex on that discipline.
So, yeah, W.
O's.
But I'll see everyone's beautiful face tomorrow.
Sir.
All right.
Sam, have a good day, bro. Talk to you.
Yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon, Nick and John. Yeah, you
Sounds
guys take
good,
it
brother.
easy.
All right, boys. Catch y'all later.
Bet. Peace.
Peace,
chat.
Peace.
I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Nick, I'll talk to you later, bro.
All right, brother. I'll see you later.
All right, y'all. Peace. Enjoy your day. Have fun.
Have fun. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Cast iron hits different. Yeah, it does. You can't wash cast iron with soap, just water. I don't think I really wash anything with soap, to be honest. It's basically like you could replace the word soap for chemicals. Harmful chemicals. All right, I'll stick around with y'all for the next 9 minutes. See how this 30-minute, 1-hour candle closes here, and then we'll either make a move or we'll make a move on to tomorrow. So we possibly may have some sort of a, if we stay closing below this range here, then you may see a push down, right? There's a nice, it's like a 70 pip range coming down back into the support level here. So there may be a possibility for that to show up. If not, then the 30 will probably end up closing below, above that zone there. So 15 is getting very choppy here, very, very choppy. So see what happens. $143 to get to 1,000 likes. Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream yet, if you guys can throw a like on the stream, I'd appreciate that. That'd be pretty awesome if we can get to 1,000 here on a bank holiday. Chilling. Yeah, what up, Calvin? 1K likes. Yeah, it usually does get the job done. Yeah, it does. Yeah, we'll see how this candle closes here. Thank you for streaming on a bank holiday. Hopefully we could see you November, December. Oh yeah. Every day. Double or go homeless. Am I streaming Asian? No. I'll be trading in Asian, but I won't be. I'll definitely 100% be trading in a. I don't know if I'll be trading, but I will be spectating and hunting tonight in the Asian session for sure. For sure. Oh, 95 more likes. Can we get it done? Can we walk away with 1,000 here today? And possibly a decent trade? Will gold have what it takes to break the lows? You started streaming Asian. Why'd you stop? Oh, I didn't start streaming it. I just, here and there I'll pop up on Asian, but it's not like a regular, degular, you know, type of thing. Every now and then I'll usually stream Asian. It's like a little treat, you know? Streaming New York tomorrow? We stream New York every day. Every single day. Oh, we're going to get 1K likes here. We get 1K likes, then there may be a trade here for us. Took 100 to 1,000 in 2 trading days. Simple, right? Simple. Now you're gonna do a $1,000 giveaway, right? Dark Beauty. Gonna give away 900 here. One lucky winner is gonna get a $900 donation. What up, Jay Finesse? It's good, bro. What up, Jay? Oh, 960. Look at this. Will we get a close? Hi, Nick, bro. Hey, what up? NASDAQ. Yeah, NASDAQ looks good for those buys. If you, yeah, look at this. If you end up breaking the high, which you did, you should see a clean move up, you know? You got clean traffic here today, so. What up, YOLO trader? All right, what do we got? What do we got here? 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Let me just do something over here, chat. 1 second. All right. All right. Let's see what happens here. 2 minutes. GJ moving up. Dixie moving down too here. Interesting. All right. DXY coming downtown here on the dollar index. Oh, look at this. Gold flipping. Dixie down, gold up. Yeah, that's the thing. That's a tricky thing here now. Tricky, tricky. It's going to have a lot to do with the likes. Yo, 29 left. 29 left. What up, Wick the Kid? All right. 20 seconds here on the closure. So looks like if we do take it on the break of the lows here, you got 43 pips stops. Unless we can get a pretty decent top wick on the 1 hour candle, then those are going to be our stops. So we'll see what happens here. 15-minute is closing here. Let's see, it did close a little slightly below that support. So 1 hour did close as well. I need to see a top wick here on this 1 hour candle. Yeah, need to see a top wick because that's our only opportunity to have stops because we're going to be entering on the break of the lows here. Or I'm going to be entering on the break of the lows. Let's see the way that 15 looks. Man, 15 is barcode. Barcode central here. 30-minute close, very weak as well here. 30 close, very, very weak. Am I buying? I'm not buying right now because there's no confirmation for buys here. Everything still looks pretty bearish. Next barcode. Yeah, you may start to get some very weak 30-minute candles here, right? That just kind of trickle around and then price moves back up in the range here. So that's the issue going on, right? 15 minutes giving us big problems here. 5 is disgusting, right? 30-minute is very weak closure there. And then the 1 hour candle closed below. So 1 hour and 4 hour look pretty strong, but all the other time frames are screaming to wait a little bit. Yeah, unless we get a decent top wick coming up, maybe tapping back into like 1846 here, then probably not going to touch this, right? Because it may just do nothing here. 5-minute chalked. 15-minute chalked. Did I take any trades? Nah, we didn't take any trades today. Nope. It's going to be a playbook setup, but it's not an A++. Exactly, exactly. So technically it would be a playbook setup, but it's not the greatest one, right? It's not the best, therefore I probably won't even touch it. Unless, like I said, we get a steeper top wick on the 1 hour. Other than that, no need to do anything like that. Yeah, holiday, all that stuff, so. Yeah, we're also bullish on the day here. So let's see, GJ moving back in the range here now. Yucky. Yeah. Yeah, not looking the hottest. I think if gold can come up and make a steeper top wick up here, even into this range up here to retest the support level, that's probably going to be your best bet, right? Wait for a steep top wick, and then if it actually comes down and breaks the lows here, then you may have a nice push down. If we look left, we can cover this traffic right here, right? It's about a 15 pip range, and then you may run into some problems here. So I don't think I'm gonna touch it here at all, because it's just a bank holiday, and 30-minute candles are very weak. 15-minute candles are disgusting, and there's major issues going on here. So that's probably gonna be it for me today. I'm gonna call it a day. I'll be around the desk for like another hour or so. So maybe like a 1 hour celery play if that pulls itself off. If not, I'm gonna get back active here tonight during the Asian session. So that'll be it for today. Good luck if you guys are taking sells right off of here or buys. Good luck on your positions here today. But that's it. That's gonna be the day. So hope y'all have a good one, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Mods, appreciate you guys showing up on the bank holiday. And all you other guys, thanks for showing up, and girls, and separating yourself from the masses of people today. We'll get back to it tomorrow. Keep an eye out. Signals channel, keep an eye out like in an hour, or definitely be ready for Asian tonight. So love y'all. Hope you guys have a good one. See you guys later. Peace.